Hello guys, today we are in Curubandé in Finca Don Rafa's, and well, I'm doing this trail to have the honor to visit a special waterfall here. So let's do this. Some facts about this trail is so dangerous because of narrow rock spots, especially upriver, where you have to get into the water and the current is very, very strong. So it's required to do it with a local guide. That was La Ducha Waterfall, and it's the second one here. So it's amazing. Right now my adrenaline is on top. My guide tells me that from now on I will have to swim in some parts. It's scary, but I'm ready, of course. I get to this beautiful place where I can swim before continuing up a river. Ooh. Today I'm wearing this beautiful bikini, of course, from one of my favorite brands, Embark, and it's so pretty. I love this color and this style, and let me know in the comments what you think of it. Guys, remember you can see the photos I made this day following the link on the upper right corner, so don't miss it, okay? To continue up the river, I have to leave my things here because this part could be so deep. So I decided to use some drown chutes before going into the water. Oh my god, look at this amazing tunnel of rocks. So beautiful. And that's me. Okay, here you can see the narrow water tunnel that we have to cross. Oh my god, there is where the current gets strong. I'm a little bit scared. Okay, let's do this. Welcome guys, this is the mystical La Leona Waterfall. It's right inside a huge cave. It's unbelievable. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, amazing. After this magical experience, it's time to go to a park called Blue Lagoon, where I will have a snack. Well guys, this is so sad. This is the end of this video, but I hope you enjoyed doing this trail with me. Until next time, I love you so much and see you in the next video. Remember, if you like more videos like this one, let me know at comments and follow me on all my social media. I love you. Bye.